Hey friends, let me show you how you can create a freeze frame effect like this using KineMaster. Open KineMaster and create a new project. Add your selected video file from the media browser to the project. I am playing the file once to find out a suitable frame for freezing. So once I am satisfied with the frame, I'll just go ahead and click on capture and add as a layer for capturing that frame, and I'll select the split screen mode to make it full screen. Now I'll adjust the duration of the layer for the effect. Next, I'll select that layer and bring down the opacity to 0 so that the original video footage is visible to us. Then I will play it and select the next frame to freeze, and similarly using the split screen mode make it full screen and adjust the duration of the clip. Once the duration is selected and adjusted, I'll go ahead with a similar way as before to bring down the opacity. Similarly, I'll go ahead and select one more frame for capturing and adding as a layer, and then bringing down the opacity as usual in the previous steps. So once everything is adjusted, the next step is to bring up the opacity of all the layers to 100%. Once the layers are made 100% in their opacity, I will just go ahead and select each layer and change the blending mode to darken. So once the blending mode is changed to darken for all the layers, we will have our freeze frame effect applied to our video footage. When you are satisfied, you can export the file and use it in your production. So this is how quickly we can create a freeze frame effect using KineMaster in your smartphone. I hope the small tutorial is useful for you, and if you like it, please consider subscribing for more such videos in future. Thank you.